everyone. Welcome back to English Tribe, the podcast that helps you learn English in a fun and friendly way. I'm Ethan.
And I'm Chloe. We are so happy you are here today. Seriously, thank you for listening.
Today's topic is a really nice one. We are talking about gratitude.
Gratitude. Let's say that together. Say it with me. Gratitude.
Good job. So, what does gratitude mean? It means the feeling you have when you are thankful. When something good happens or someone helps you, you feel gratitude.
For example, I am grateful for my family. Or I feel gratitude when my friend helps me.
Beautiful examples, Chloe. Today, we're going to learn some useful English phrases about gratitude. Phrases you can use every day.
And before we start, if you're enjoying this podcast, please like and subscribe. It really helps us keep making these lessons for you.
Okay, let's begin. Are you ready? Let's go.
Okay, our first phrase today is very simple, but very important. Listen carefully.
Thank you so much.
Say it with me. Thank you so much.
Great! Thank you is something you say when someone does something nice for you. And so much makes it stronger. It means you are very thankful.
Here's a little story. Listen. This morning, my neighbor helped me carry my bags. I said, "Thank you so much." She smiled and said, "No problem."
Did you hear that? Thank you so much. And the response was, no problem. That's a very natural thing to say back.
You can also say, "Thank you so much for your help." Or, "Thank you so much for the coffee." You're just adding what you're thankful for.
Let's practice. I'll say the situation, you say the phrase. Ready?
Your friend buys you lunch. What do you say?
Thank you so much. Perfect. You're already doing great.
Okay, our next phrase is a little more formal, but it sounds very natural. Listen.
I really appreciate it.
Say it slowly with me. I really appreciate it.
Appreciate is the key word here. It means to value something, to understand that something is important or kind.
For example, my boss gave me a free day off from work. I said, "I really appreciate it." She was happy I said that.
See, you can use this at work, with friends, with family. It works everywhere.
And here's a tip. You can combine our two phrases. Listen.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Oh, that sounds so natural. Say that one more time, Ethan.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Wonderful. You're improving already. I can feel it.
Okay, our third phrase is one of my favorites. Ready? Listen.
I'm grateful for.
Say it with me. I'm grateful for.
Grateful means the same as thankful. And after for, you say what makes you feel thankful.
Here are some examples. Listen carefully. I'm grateful for my health. I'm grateful for my morning coffee. I'm grateful for this sunny day.
Did you notice? The examples are simple things. You don't need big, special things to feel grateful. A sunny day, a warm coffee, these small things are beautiful.
Absolutely. In fact, many English speakers start their day by thinking of 3 things they are grateful for. It's a great habit.
My quick morning routine is wake up, drink water, and think, what am I grateful for today?
I love that, Chloe. So, listener, what are you grateful for today? Think about it. Can you make a sentence?
Try saying it out loud. For example, I'm grateful for my family. Or I'm grateful for my warm bed. Any sentence is perfect.
Our final key phrase is something you say when something is very special to you. Listen.
This means a lot to me.
One more time. This means a lot to me.
When you say this means a lot, you are saying this is very important to me. This makes me very happy.
Here's a little dialogue. Listen. Friend A. I made you some soup because you were sick. Friend B. Oh, wow. This means a lot to me. Thank you so much.
Beautiful. You can hear how warm that sounds. It's not just thank you. It tells the other person, I really see what you did for me.
That's what gratitude does. It makes people feel good. And it helps you feel good, too.
Studies actually show that people who say thank you more, they feel happier. So English and gratitude together, that's a great combination.
A very great combination.
Okay, let's do a quick review. I'll say the phrase, you say it after me. Ready?
Phrase 1.
Thank you so much.
Phrase 2.
I really appreciate it.
Phrase 3.
I'm grateful for.
And phrase 4.
This means a lot to me.
Excellent. You did amazing. Really, you should be proud of yourself for practicing today.
Okay, let's wrap up today's lesson. We learned 4 beautiful phrases about gratitude.
Number 1, thank you so much. Number 2, I really appreciate it. Number 3, I'm grateful for. And number 4, this means a lot to me.
These phrases are simple, but they are powerful. Use them every day. Use them with friends, family, coworkers, teachers, anyone.
The more you use them, the more natural they will feel. That's how language works. Practice a little every day, and one day, it just feels easy.
And you are already on that journey. Just by listening today, you are making progress. We mean that.
Okay, now it's your turn. We have a fun community question for you.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
Do you drink coffee? Do you check your phone? Do you go for a walk?
Tell us in the comments. Write your answer in English. Even one sentence is perfect. For example, the first thing I do in the morning is make tea.
We read every comment. We love hearing from you. And who knows, maybe we'll use your sentence in a future lesson.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please give us a like. It really helps other learners find us.
And subscribe so you never miss a new lesson. We post new episodes every week.
Thank you for spending this time with us today. It really means a lot. See, we're using our phrase.
Perfect. Until next time, keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep going.
You've got this. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.